turmeric ginger tea. A recipe to increase the body's defenses quickly, cheaply, and naturally. Once you know about this home remedy, you'll want to thank me. If you know someone who lives with these symptoms of tiredness, stuffy nose, sore throat, cough, or headache, share this video with them. And I'm very curious to know which city or country you're following us from. Tell me here in the comments. This recipe is all you need to never wake up with this problem again. On the contrary, it will make you wake up with all gas and energy, using only natural ingredients. So let's go. For the first part of the recipe, we will need 2 glasses of water and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Place the water and saffron in a pan. Mix well and bring to a boil. Among the various benefits of saffron, there are its antiseptic action, increased immunity, antidepressant and anti-cancer, acting mainly in prevention. It is also a great source of minerals and rich in vitamin A, folic acid, riboflavin and vitamin C, essential for good health. Now we are going to need a piece of fresh ginger. Peel and cut into small pieces. Known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger is associated with strengthening the immune system. Ginger has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action, is associated with a balanced diet, helps reduce the risk of diseases such as heart, brain, intestine, joints and the immune system, preventing flu, colds and even the coronavirus. Experts say, add the ginger to the turmeric in the pan and bring to a boil. When the mixture comes to a boil, lower the heat and add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Black pepper has vitamin A, B6, C, iron, magnesium, potassium, has anti-inflammatory action, is good for immunity, for the heart, and because it is low in calories, it is good for weight loss and increased digestion rate. We will also put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix everything very well and let it boil again. After boiling, add 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Mix and boil for 5 minutes. Allow to cool, then strain the tea and place in a glass container. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into your tea and mix again. And your tea to boost immunity is ready. I'm sure you will love it. Guys, I would like to share a message that is in Romans chapter 12 verse 21. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. Hold your Christian principles in the midst of all opposition, and so show the power of the gospel, conquering your enemies with kindness and patience, which is the most glorious victory. Overcome evil with good, that is, subdue evil by doing good to others. I'm staying here. Take care, okay? Until the next video. Goodbye.